Hey folks, this is YouTube using this video due to some not here back to me in a video. And of course, this isn't on my iPhone or on my Sony texting. I'm actually texting on my new Canon Powershot digital camera. And of course, it has pretty good quality so far. I think the video recording is 720p HD, so it should be pretty good. So don't know how the quality will be. I don't know if it's like my other camera, my other Sony camera, which records in a lower quality. But of course, hopefully this hopefully you'll be able to get some really better shot quality out of this. Like hopefully the both the video quality and of course the shot quality should be like the texted or like in the other camera that has HD. So yeah, so of course today is of course March 31st and I'm recording this, but of course by the time I upload it I'll probably try to upload it today. If not, I'll definitely try to upload it probably within the next few days. So yes, pretty much. So yes, so as you can see, I'm in my room now. It is after 8 o'clock p.m. now when I'm filming this, and yeah, of course right now to right now I'm just gonna while I'm testing out the camera, I'm just gonna give you guys a mini view of my room. So of course here is my my desk which I don't use. Because when I do use it, I just put my MacBook over here in my and then I just use this monitor. But of course and here's my Apple keyboard and Apple Magic Mouse. Here's my what you call it again Bureau which is my which is kind of a mess, not bad. Which is my Apple HomePod. Yep, the Newfoundland Republic flag over there. Yep, here's my boombox over there. And look at me, this is hey. Yep, and this is my weather screen. Which tells me the temperature. As you can see, it is 4 degrees out there. Wow, to here tops the pond. Yep. So that is pretty accurate. The thing for it is on the patio. Yep. And here's my new Xbox and stuff. Yep. And now the video, as you can see outdoors, it was pretty sunny earlier, but now it's pretty foggy out. Yep. I'll probably try to do an outdoor test video soon. Yep. Here's my other desk and stuff. Yep. Yeah, so yeah, so you can see where my Newfoundland Canada t-shirt and when we saw the station, it was warm earlier, but kind of warm, not quite like summer warm, but it was like still like warm, like probably around 14, 15 degrees and like 17 degrees in places, which was very awesome. Yep. And of course hopefully in the future, hopefully very soon I will do some more videos on this camera, like pretty much if I go in exchange, I would definitely record video, like definitely if it goes over to consistently shot on my bike, I'll definitely go there. I'll definitely vlog going there and pretty much stuff like that, pictures like that I see. So yeah. So I really hope you guys like this test video and mini vlog, and of course Stay tuned for some reviews coming up very soon. So, over and out guys. Peace. Bye.